mirror. How was it playing, seeing yourself as a 60-year-old woman in a mirror? How was the transformation? How did you felt about seeing yourself?
We are professionals doing a job. I don't think this is, I mean, after so many years in the industry, you get asked if it's a frivolous job about vanity. No, it's not. No, this question isn't even, with due respect, very, very sweet of you to attempt to ask this question, but it's not relevant. We are actors. Getting into character is Saraswati for us. And that's what we do every waking day at our, when we go to work. That's what
I can tell you, I was very sad. I was very sad looking at her like that. It was like, no, it can't happen. But she did it and she looks good even then.
He's got a sense of humor. I mean, for everything, he's got little one-liners coming your way. So I think it's giving us reason to smile today. And simply because you'll ask, I don't know why and how, with due respect, you'll expect to be asking financial details of a film and you think someone's going to sit and spell it out here on a stage and what will happen with what you earn from the film and all of that. I don't think you can expect producers and a team to be sitting and answering those questions. But the heart is in the right place. Whatever little bit fees even we have received, I've redirected it completely into the foundation. I have a foundation by my name. So that's what has been the interest and that's what we have expressed from the beginning. Because the soul and the spirit, with reason with which we're doing this film, is very, very obvious and does not need to be actually broken down and spelled out. But if you insist on asking, then I guess everybody comes up and starts answering questions like these.
We'll be looking forward to your contribution, bro.
I would like to add here one thing on this platform that Sumit, Miss Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has not taken any fees for this film, and she has put whatever we had given her as an actress, she has put her money into her NGO and her foundation. Even Randeep has taken less money, even the DOP. So this, ये मैंने पहले ही सबसे पहले कहा कि हमने ये फिल्म नहीं, हमने कुछ रिश्ते जोड़े हैं. और दलबीर जी ने 1 रुपया नहीं लिया ये फिल्म के लिए हमें राइट्स देते वक्त. तो ये बातें जो आपने पूछा, इसके लिए ये भी जवाब है कि इंटेंशन सिर्फ इस फिल्म के ज़रिए कुछ पाना था और वो एक मैसेज देना, वो हमने किया. थैंक यू सुमित. अब मत पूछना भाई कुछ भी.
Done.
Rajesh Berry ji, please बनाएं. And Vanita, please come up. Priya Gupta, please come up. Please, please, आ जाए पर. आ जाए. Sir.
आगे की तो कहाँ जा रहा है? कहाँ जा रहा है? चंडीगढ़.
फ्रेम दलवीर जी को दे. दलवीर जी को दे.
उमंग नहीं सामने खोलना टर्न करके देना. I would like Aishwarya, Randeep and Umang to Ash. अगर इस पेंटिंग को आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो इसमें सरबजीत के भेजे हुए लेटर्स हैं उसके फैमिली के. Randeep, come in front, please.
और ये पेंटिंग मैंने 2 मई को ही बनाई थी और वही मैंने वहाँ साइन किया है. और पता नहीं अननोइंगली ये हो गया. तो जब मैं साइन कर रहा था तो मैंने डेट देखा, ये तो 2 मई पर मैंने बनाया है. और एक छोटी सी भेंट है, I mean, जो दुख मुझे ये पेंटिंग में दिख रहा है वो मैं जाहिर कर पाया. और ये सब आपके लेटर्स हैं जो आपने एक दूसरे को लिखे हैं, उसी पर मैंने ये पेंटिंग बनाई है. प्लीज एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम आवर बिहाफ. थैंक यू फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस.
So give it inside, let him take it.
Thank you everyone for coming and sharing their story with us, and hope to see you on 20th May in theaters. Thank you.